Hellcat.
John Star. Yo, I see a piece of thing reach me a while ago, see man. Slassy. After I stay some books I'm there, you see me? See me I go up on the road, go to supermarket, go buy a one bun, because I feel for a one bun, you see me? I stay some books now, I'm going to the supermarket, I look on the shelf and I see one bun. So I go to Budo, approach the bun and buy me approach the bun. A woman stays and first me and go and take up the bun. You see me? And I say, John, woman, you know, say, other bun them just come in the supermarket for do. And she say, well then, she done take it up already and is a homeless man outside. See her and ask her if she can buy him something for eat. So I say, then somebody homeless outside and ask you buy something for them eat. Them never say them want a bun and me want a bun. You see me? So when I get the bun and you can buy him a cornbread or something. So she asks me now, were you willing for to forget the bun? You see me? So I say, well then me pay for the bun and pay for the cornbread so you can bring it go get the man. And she laugh and say, no, that can't work. You're willing to eat cake for the bun. So I say, so eat cake. But also I look around and I see a slice of plain cake. So I say, well then, never really feel for the cake still in a bun. Since I forgot get the cake to forget the bun, then me pay for the cake as well. And she said, no, not that cake that may attack. So I said, then what you mean? Like about cheesecake or Black Forest? And she laughed again and said, no. And goes and look down upon herself and goes and hold her front and say, that cake you may attack. Brother, I never beg saying I'm a life, youth. No, I never want me saying I'm a life. I swear to you. I never beg saying I'm my life yet.